Okay. Okay. I'll come back tomorrow and do some final adjusting and see if I can get this over a 1/4 inch. I probably can. I can space one side. I can't space the other side. But I can space this left side over a little. So maybe I can do that. Okay, folks. Like I was saying before, I'm gonna wind down here for the day, I think, and I'm just gonna leave all this mess here. I'll come back tomorrow and we'll sort it all out and put everything in place, and then we'll go from there. Okay. I'd like to put me another one of them trailer hitch thingies on the front of this, maybe even a big bumper, and then mount that winch I've got on the front of this. I've got that winch set up. That 9,000-pound winch I got is actually set up on a Reese hitch, and I have I believe I know I put a receiver on that old big trailer that I got back there that I don't hardly ever use no more. And I could probably figure out a way to get that receiver to mount up under the front of that Jeep and then have it where I could stick that wrench right into it. That's one option. Another option is to also build a new bumper for it. And you can buy those bumpers. They can run up to about $300. Or I've noticed very often, if you watch in the sale paper, you can find someone that's got one of them Jeeps and they've already put a lift kit on it and a big set of bumpers and a whole bunch of stuff, and then the thing won't run. They wind up selling it for $300, $400, $500, and that's another option. Or they also they sell them big bumpers in a kit where you weld them together yourself with the winch mount and everything else right there on them. So that's several different. That's three or four different options for getting a big Jeep bumper on there. And another option is just to make one myself out of my own piles of metal and stuff. I got metal back there. And I could probably make one. I'm guessing them big bumpers are stronger than the Jeep frames, because the Jeep frames don't look like they're all that heavy. But a lot of people do a lot with them Jeeps, and they hold up pretty good, so I guess they're strong enough. Alright, I think I'll stop talking now. Y'all got any questions, just send $100 bill to Cutworm and ask him. He answers all my impotent questions. See y'all. Alrighty then, so rather than drill holes in that piece there, I just took me a welder and put a couple of spot welds on each end of it, which I can easily cut apart should I ever decide that I don't want that anymore. And with that, I'm going to call it good enough and get the Jeep out of here and clean up my garage here. It's a little bit messy. Let's put a little paint on that weld spot there. Let's get this thing out of here. I'll let y'all sit right there. Try not to get knocked over. Maybe I should sit you someplace more safer. More safer? In case one of them blocks kicks back. I knocked one of my good friends down in the floor recently. I opened up the door and it was easy to get out of here. Boy, it's really cold today. Mercy sakes. I might not make it out here very long. I can tell that already. And it's a good day to stay in. This is the day that Mike died, and that kind of, I don't know what to say about that, except that, you know, I don't know. But anyway, I got videos to make. I went up and visited Luke yesterday, and I got some videos to make out of that. So, and this is so cold, I may just go in. I didn't got back in there. I ain't quite got the umph that I think I would have had earlier, if that makes any sense. Squirt on that naked spot right there. Good enough, I believe. Good enough. I don't know, I just ain't quite got it in me. I got a mess to clean up. Look at it. Oh, just look at it. But I don't think I'll do it right now. I'm gonna go hide inside a little longer. That's just the way I am, the way I'm thinking today. Just the way the day's going, I guess. Okay.